Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix incoming call not displaying contact name on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about that incoming calls are not displaying their contact name on iPhone after updating to iOS 17 and they don't know how to fix this. So also facing this issue, then you are in right video. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this incoming call not displaying contact issue. First of all, you have to check your contact details. Make sure that the contact whose name is not displaying is saved correctly in your contacts app. Check for any description in the name, phone number or additional detail. Then you have to enable contacts in iCloud. If you use iCloud to sync your contacts, ensure that contacts is enabled in iCloud settings. Go to your settings, then tap on your profile, your name, go to iCloud. Now guys, insecure that the contact is unable. After enabling the contact on iCloud, then you have to update the contact list. Open the contact list on iPhone and pull down to refresh the contact list. Sometimes a manual refresh can help so much. After this, then you have to restart your iPhone. Tap on your settings, then go to general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to update your iOS version. So guys, go to your settings app, then go to general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After updating to the latest version of iOS 17 and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to reinstall Contact app. Simply delete it from simply delete it from your iPhone and then try reinstalling them. After installing the Contact app and still facing the issue again and again, then you can try is reset all settings on your iPhone. You can try setting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your personal data, but it will reset system settings to their default. So go to your settings and go to general. Scroll down and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.